the link to our video. Now, how do we find the link to our video? It's pretty simple. There are two ways that I can show you. First of all, it's through the URL over here. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can copy YouTube video links. Now this one is pretty simple and it won't take much of your time, so I'm going to need your 100% attention to that. We will be done with it in no time. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So first of all, of course, we need to head into a browser. I'm currently here on my desktop, but I've already opened a browser here, which is a window. So I've already opened this YouTube tab. And here we can find the link to our video. Now, how do we find the link to our video? It's pretty simple. There are two ways that I can show you. First of all, it's through the URL over here. Now, it might look like this, but if you click on it, depending on the browser you're using, since I'm using Opera browser, it tends to hide the rest of the link. So you can just copy this entire link and then paste it to somewhere like a message. Then you can send it to someone and they'll be sent to the same video that I am watching right now. For example, I am watching this Breakfast at Tiffany's, which is a very good movie back in the 1960s. Audrey Hepburn, yeah, pretty beautiful. So if you have some time, maybe check that out. And another thing you can do is go over here to share. So you click that and then it will just show you this one. So it's a modified version of the link, but it's the same function nevertheless. Even if you paste this or copy this, it will be the same thing. And what other things you can do is that you can even choose which part of the video you want to start in. Like for example, I am currently on 448. So I have not checked this box, but if I do check this box, then it will modify this link to start somewhere in that point of the video. So if we go back here again, you don't see a number at the end of the link. But if you click on that, it will put the duration, which is the seconds, which is 288 seconds. So if you do set it on that, well, that's up to you. So other things you can do is you can even embed this link. You can share this to Facebook, to WhatsApp, to other social media platforms. So it's pretty simple. Just copy that and then send it or copy it to paste it to wherever you want. For example, I'm just gonna paste it here, and you'll see that after we watch this ad, let me mute this ad, it's so annoying. So after that we watch this ad, it will immediately send us to the 4 minutes 48 seconds part of the video, and that's it. That is how you can find the YouTube link, YouTube video link. So it's pretty simple, two ways, and won't take much of your time. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.